Phoenix.
Some coaches and players from the Phoenix Rising team came to work with our 3rd through 8th grade students. We went through some drills with them. Also talked a little bit about the team and what they do.
You guys got to enjoy every opportunity that you guys have.
The students were very excited because I think anytime they have someone from the sports field come in and talk to them, you know, that really excites them. We always focus in on the academic piece and really push for that. And also need to remember that a lot of times what motivates our kids are those extracurricular activities. I think these really motivate the kids that, hey, I can still play sports, but my academics and schoolworks and being responsible are also something that gets me to where I want to be.